to customize app icons in iOS 18 for more beautiful or iconic or unique look, what you're gonna do, go ahead and hold your screen, right? Hold the space in your screen. And then what you're gonna do, click edit at the top left. And then basically you can see the three options. You can edit pages or customize from here. So you can make the apps look lighter or darker, or make the background of the apps lighter or darker. And you're gonna see right here automatic, or click tinted to select your favorite colors, okay, from here. And you're gonna be able to customize the app icons, okay. You can switch between light, dark, or automatic, and you can resize the apps. Click large right here to resize the apps to make it larger or smaller if you want to, right? And you can adjust layout, move icons freely, okay? Let me leave it at that. Hold your space on your screen and you can move the apps freely, right? Creating gaps or unique placements. iOS 18 allows greater flexibility than previous versions, okay? And then click your space at the same screen, right, to save your adjustments, right? These tools make it easy to match your icons with your aesthetic preferences while keeping your home screen functional. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.